Buenas tardes, clases. Nosotros vamos a mirar verbos interesantes. So we're going to look at some interesting verbs. We do not have many verbs like this in English, so you need to pay special attention. You probably have seen the verb gustar. Verbs like gustar exist in a fair number in Spanish. What do I mean by that? Well, you really want to say I like something, but you guys know you don't say I like, you say it is pleasing to me with the verb gustar. So let's look at this. In lesson 2, you learned how to express preferences with gustar. You'll now learn more about other verbs like this. Me gusta este shampoo. I like this shampoo. The shampoo is pleasing to me. ¿Te gustaron las clases? Did you like the classes? Were the classes pleasing to you? Constructions with gustar do not have a direct equivalent in English. The literal meaning of the construction is to be pleasing to, and so it requires the use of an indirect object or an indirect object pronoun. Me gusta ese shampoo. I like that shampoo. That shampoo is pleasing to me, me. In constructions with gustar, the object being liked is really the subject of the sentence. The person who likes the object, in turn, is an indirect object because it answers the question, to whom is the object pleasing? ¿No te gustan las computadoras? You don't like computers? Computers are not pleasing to you? Me gustan mucho los parques. I like parks. Parks are pleasing to me. Other verbs in Spanish are used in the same way as gustar. Here's a list of the most common ones. So you're going to repeat them after me, then you're going to pause the video and write both the Spanish and the English into your notes. Verbs like gustar include aburrir, to bore, encantar, to like very much, to love, faltar, to lack, to need, to be missing, fascinar, to fascinate or to like very much, importar, to matter or be important to, interesar, to be interesting to interest, molestar, to bother or annoy, quedar, to be left over, to fit. So now pause and write these down. Atención, faltar expresses what is lacking or missing. Me falta una página. I am missing one page. Quedar expresses how much of something is left. No quedan 3 pesos. We have 3 pesos left. Atención otra vez. Quedar means to fit as well. It's also used to tell how something looks on someone. Estos zapatos me quedan bien. These shoes fit me really well. Esa camisa te queda muy bien. That shirt looks very good on you. The forms most commonly used with gustar and similar verbs are the third person. This is because it or they are pleasing. It or they are interesting. When the object or person being liked is singular, we're going to use gusta, molesta, interesa, etc. When 2 or more objects or persons are being liked, the plural form, gustan, molestan, fascinan, interesen, they will be the verbs that we will use. And I should have said, gustan, molestan, interesan. Those are the ones we're going to be using. So look. Me encanta la película. Do you like the movie? But I could say, nos encanta la película. Do we like the movie? Okay. Do they like the movie? Les encanta la película. It's only one movie, so even though I'm talking about more than one person, I use the singular verb. But if I want to say, ¿te importan las vacaciones? Are vacations important to you? Yes, vacation is important to you. Las vacaciones. Sí, te importan las vacaciones. To express what someone likes or does not like to do, use an appropriate verb followed by an infinitive. The singular form is used even if there is more than one infinitive. Nos molesta comer a las 9. it bothers us to eat at 9. Les encantan cantar y bailar en las fiestas. They love to sing and dance at parties. Okay, make sure that you write these examples down and you are all set for tonight. Hasta mañana, clase. Los estudiantes no se acuestan temprano, sino tarde. The students don't go to bed early, but instead they go late. Maria no habla francés, sino español. Maria doesn't speak French, but rather she speaks Spanish. Now look at the others. They are not contradictory. Las toallas son caras, pero bonitas. It's two things that aren't contrary in the same sentence. For example, the towels are expensive but beautiful. José es inteligente, pero no saca buenas notas. Jose is smart, but he does not get good grades. Now I would like you to pause the video and write down answers that you think go in the following exercise. Cambia las oraciones para que sean negativas. La primera se da como ejemplo. Siempre se vista bien. Nunca se viste bien. No se viste bien nunca. Those are the two ways to change that sentence into the negative. So if you have alguien se ducha, what two ways can you make that sentence negative? Please do that with the remaining 7 sentences and then restart, and we have one more page with just a couple more examples for you. And here we go. Cambia las oraciones para que sean negativas. It's the same thing. You are going to go through to 12. I'm not quite sure why the 12th one has a U. That should be the number 12. So the sentence is, algunos niños se ponen el abrigo, and you are going to give me the right word that goes in front of niños se pone el abrigo. Gracias y hasta mañana.